back to it again because I forgot to add some. I'm going to splice this into the video. So here's the details on this truck. Ready? I'm going to read it off. 6-inch Fabtech suspension kit, 20x12 TIS off-road wheels. And here we go. BTR Stage 2 cam. Professionally installed November of 2023. Tuning was done by Jeff Tuning and Performance. The phone number's there and all the jazz. So this truck does have some goodies to the engine. Stage 2 cam. It sounds pretty aggressive. Let it idle for a second, Landon. Start it up and let it idle. Let everybody hear it. Inside's really, really nice. Come on, camera, focus. This thing doesn't focus today. We're gonna let it just idle so you guys can hear it. It's got a built-in electronic trailer brake controller. Backside's pretty nice right there. You can mildly hear it. If it had a full exhaust on, you guys would be able to hear it, but hopefully you can get a good glimpse as to what it sounds like, and it sounds pretty aggressive in person. And there it is, the retractable bed cover. Landon, unlock this for me. Actually, it's locked up. But if you guys have any questions, let us know. 540-898-3025. All right, hope you guys are doing well. See ya. Guys, what's up? It's Mark. Check this out. This is a gorgeous Fabtech lifted, 6-inch Fabtech lifted 2012 GMC Sierra 1500 A.L.C truck. That's American luxury coach truck. 5.3 liter 4x4. And it is a beautiful, absolutely pearl white paint. Absolutely stunning. You see the paint, see the flake? Pearl. Beautiful, beautiful truck. Southern truck, no rust. Beautiful chrome wheels. These are a 20x12 chrome wheel on a 33 1250 20-inch all-terrain tire. Really nice setup right here. Super nice truck. Retractable bed cover. It's got a few small scratches and dents, as you can see, a few small imperfections here and there. But overall, it's a super nice truck. Wheels are in good shape, frame's in good shape. Pretty clean. And here's the ticket where it was the A.L.C truck. Faded away, but as you can see right there, American luxury coach. There it is. All the details from the factory vehicle converted over to American luxury coach. Brand new center console because armrest was beat to hell. And back's nice. Interior's nice. Z92 off-road, custom gauges and all that jazz. Mileage. 159,288 maintained miles. Power plant under the hood. Plan to pump the hood for me, buddy. There's the underside right there. Southern truck. A little bit of dirt, but other than that, no rust. Super nice and clean. There's your Fabtech lift kit right there. Your drop bracket. Vortec 5.3 liter V8 engine. Was wired up for an amplifier, not anymore. Cold air intake system, and there it is. So you can shut the hood, Lana. Thank you, buddy. But no, it runs and drives great. If you guys have any questions, give us a call at 540-898-3025. You can also check it out at superiorwholesale.org. That's superiorwholesale.org. Hope everybody's doing great. God bless.